Cebu City, in the heart of the Philippines, is a haven for boaters. Warm, tropical waters beckon, inviting adventurers from all over the world to explore its stunning coastline. The city is a vibrant mix of modernity and tradition, offering a unique experience for every visitor. With hundreds of islands waiting to be explored, Cebu City serves as the perfect gateway to a boater's paradise. Each island has its own charm, from secluded beaches to bustling local markets, ensuring that every trip is a new adventure. Whether you're a seasoned sailor with years of experience or a weekend warrior looking for a quick escape, Cebu City has something to offer. The marinas are well equipped, and the local community is always ready to lend a helping hand. This bustling city seamlessly blends urban excitement with maritime charm. The skyline is dotted with modern buildings, yet the marina remains a hub of activity, filled with boats of all shapes and sizes. Cebu's strategic location makes it a perfect starting point for island hopping. Explore pristine beaches, hidden coves, and untouched natural beauty. The waters around Cebu are teeming with marine life, making every journey an unforgettable experience. Dive into vibrant coral reefs, where the underwater world comes alive with colorful fish and intricate coral formations. The diving spots around Cebu are some of the best in the world, attracting divers from far and wide. And it's not just the natural beauty that makes Cebu special. The renowned Filipino hospitality ensures that every visitor feels welcome. Locals greet boaters with warm smiles and open arms, making you feel like part of the community. The city boasts a rich maritime history and a vibrant boating community. Historical artifacts tell the story of Cebu's long relationship with the sea, while modern amenities ensure a comfortable stay for all boaters. Marinas in Cebu City cater to a variety of needs and budgets. From luxury yachts to budget-friendly boats, there's something for everyone. Whether you're looking for a high-end experience or a simple, affordable adventure, Cebu has it all. Docking your vessel in Cebu City is surprisingly affordable. The city offers a variety of marinas, each with its own unique charm and set of amenities. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or a novice boater, you'll find a marina that suits your needs and budget. Slip fees vary depending on the marina, size of your boat, and duration of stay. Some marinas cater to luxury yachts, while others are more suited for smaller recreational boats. It's important to research and compare the different options available to find the best fit for your vessel. Expect to pay more for larger boats and longer stays. Larger vessels require more space and resources, which can drive up the cost. Additionally, if you plan to stay for an extended period, you might be eligible for discounted rates, so it's worth inquiring about long-term pricing. Marinas often offer daily, weekly, and monthly rates. This flexibility allows you to choose a plan that best fits your travel schedule and budget. Some marinas even offer seasonal rates, which can be a great option if you plan to stay for several months. As of late 2024, daily rates for a 30-foot boat can range from $15 to $30. These rates can vary based on the marina's location, the time of year, and the specific amenities offered. It's always a good idea to call ahead and confirm current rates. Weekly rates fall between $100 and $200. This option is ideal for those who plan to explore the area for a week or two. Weekly rates often come with additional perks, such as access to marina facilities and services. For long-term stays, monthly rates can vary from $300 to $600 depending on the marina's location and amenities. Some marinas offer additional discounts for extended stays, making it more economical for those planning to dock their boat for several months. Amenities such as security, water, and electricity can also influence the cost, so be sure to factor these into your budget when planning your stay. Cebu City's marinas provide a range of amenities for boaters. Basic amenities typically include electricity, water hookups, and Wi-Fi access. Many marinas offer restrooms, showers, and laundry facilities for added convenience. Some marinas go the extra mile with swimming pools, restaurants, and bars. Security is a top priority, with most marinas offering 24/7 security personnel and CCTV surveillance. Fuel stations and pump-out services are usually available. For budget-conscious boaters, several marinas in Cebu City offer excellent value. These marinas prioritize affordability without compromising on essential amenities. They may not have luxurious extras but provide a safe and convenient place to dock your boat. One such marina consistently ranks high among boaters for its affordability and friendly service. It's conveniently located near boat repair shops and marine supply stores. Boaters appreciate the marina's focus on practicality and value for money.
Know you've been a good friend.
Section 5. Launching your vessel boat ramps in Cebu City. Cebu City has several boat ramps for easy launching and retrieval of trailered boats. These ramps are designed to accommodate various types of vessels, from small fishing boats to larger recreational boats. Whether you're a seasoned boater or a novice, these ramps make it convenient to get your boat in and out of the water with ease. These ramps are strategically located along the coastline, providing access to different boating areas. This means you can choose a ramp that is closest to your desired destination, whether it's for fishing, leisure cruising, or exploring the beautiful islands around Cebu. The accessibility of these ramps ensures that you spend more time on the water and less time on the road. Some ramps are publicly owned and free to use, while others may charge a small fee. The fees collected are often used for the maintenance and improvement of the facilities, ensuring that they remain in good condition for all users. It's a small price to pay for the convenience and safety provided by these well-maintained ramps. It's essential to check the ramp's hours of operation and any specific rules or regulations. Some ramps may have restrictions on the types of boats allowed or specific times when launching is permitted. Being aware of these rules helps in planning your trip and avoiding any potential fines or inconveniences. Be sure to arrive early during peak season, as ramps can get crowded. Early mornings are often the best time to launch your boat, as there are fewer people and you can enjoy a peaceful start to your day on the water. Planning ahead and being prepared can make your boating experience in Cebu City smooth and enjoyable. Section 6. Dry dock options, storage for trailered boats. If you need a place to store your trailered boat, Cebu City offers various options. Yards and warehouses provide secure indoor and outdoor storage spaces. Storage fees depend on the size of your boat and the duration of storage. Indoor storage is generally more expensive but offers better protection from the elements. Outdoor storage is a more economical option, but it's crucial to ensure your boat is adequately covered and secured. Section 7. Choosing the right marina, factors to consider. Selecting the right marina depends on your individual needs and priorities. Consider the size of your boat, your budget, and the amenities that are important to you. Location is another crucial factor. Think about the proximity to boating areas you want to explore and the convenience of accessing supplies and services. Reading online reviews and talking to other boaters can provide valuable insights. Section 8. Other expenses to keep in mind. Besides slip fees and storage costs, be aware of other expenses associated with boating. Fuel costs can fluctuate, so factor in these expenses based on your planned trips. Regular maintenance, including engine servicing and hull cleaning, is essential. Don't forget about safety equipment such as life jackets, flares, and a first aid kit. Insurance is crucial to protect your investment and provide peace of mind. Allocate a budget for unexpected repairs or emergencies. Section 9. Exploring Cebu's waters, tips for an enjoyable voyage. Cebu's waters offer endless opportunities for adventure and relaxation. Island hop to nearby paradises like Bohol, known for its chocolate hills and adorable tarsiers. Dive into the vibrant marine life at Moalboal's sardine run, or explore the shipwrecks off Malapascua Island. Always check the weather forecast before heading out and inform someone about your float plan. Respect the environment and practice responsible boating. Section 10. Conclusion, setting sail in Cebu City. Cebu City offers a welcoming and affordable destination for boaters. With a variety of marinas, boat ramps, and storage options, you'll find everything you need to embark on your next nautical adventure. Whether you're seeking luxurious amenities or budget-friendly practicality, Cebu City has a marina to suit your needs. Explore the stunning islands, immerse yourself in the local culture, and create unforgettable memories on the water.